This tutorial will teach you how to make a poll on Discord. Start by heading to the Simple Poll Discord bot page. A link will be provided below. Press the Invite button. You may need to sign into your Discord account. Use the menu to select the server you want the bot added to, then press Continue. Authorize access. Verify that you're not a robot. Open Discord and the Simple Poll bot should now be added. You can create a simple yes or no poll by typing /poll space, then your question in quotation marks. When you press enter, the bot will create the poll. You can also use the bot to create multiple answer polls. Start by typing /poll space, then your question in quotation marks, followed by another space. Next, add all of your answers. Each answer needs to be enclosed with their own quotation marks and separated by a space. Users can then use the reactions to vote on the poll. You might also want to delete your previous messages used to create the poll.